Worried about inflation eating away your savings or a market crash wiping out your retirement? That's exactly why a lot of people turn to precious metals like gold. They are a hedge. But here's the thing. Choosing the right gold IRA company is what actually protects your money long term. Some companies pressure you into buying overpriced coins or lock you into bad deals with tricky fees. That's why I always recommend using the company comparison checklist. This checklist helps you compare gold IRA companies side by side based on things like their buyback guarantees, pressure free sales policies, real customer experiences, and whether they push free silver offers that come with strings attached. When you're dealing with your life savings, you need to know who's really got your back. And that's what this checklist helps you figure out. You can download it using the link in the description. It's completely free. It's a simple way to protect your future by making a confident, informed choice today.